Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm here with another video. Well guys, you might be thinking why I'm carrying this and what is this. So this is my radish pickle. I've made this radish pickle, and if you want to know how I've made this radish pickle, just watch the whole video. I've cut it in a very thin slice so it won't take much time to dry. If it's sunny today, it will take just one day to dry. If it's not sunny, then at least for 2 days you have to dry. I will pray that today's sun will be kara kara. Just for I mean, in just one day it will dry. Well guys, we are going to make radish pickle. So now I will show you what masala I am going to use. So these are the masalas. These are 3 types of mustard seeds: yellow mustard seeds, brown mustard seeds, and black mustard seeds. Methi. This is cumin seeds, jeera. This is ajwai. We call it karamosa. This is dhania seeds, coriander seeds, turmeric powder, chili powder. You can avoid this, it's up to you. I'll be using this mustard oil and lots of salt. Now first of all, these 4 masalas I will roast it. Now we will add this yellow mustard seeds, 2 spoons, brown mustard seeds, just 1, black mustard seeds, 1, 2, and this methi, just little bit of methi. That's all, because if you add lots of methi, then this masala, it will taste a little bit bitter. So just little bit of methi. Just 2 to 3 minutes we will roast it. Now take it out in a small plate. Now we will roast these cumin seeds, 1, 2, and 3 spoons. This ajwai, 1 and 2. Dhania seeds, 1, 2, and 3. Okay guys, this is also done. Just roast it for 2 minutes. Now we will heat the oil. By the way, I'm going to heat all this 1 liter, but just half liter I'm going to use in the achar, and the half liter I'm going to use in another pickle. We will wait for the oil to be heated. By that time, we will pound the masalas. Don't make it in a powder. You can do it in a mixer grinder also. But for me, this is more comfortable, so I am doing it here. Don't make it powder also. As you can see, some of the masalas are in whole. So, ito huishe. Hedi olane rakhi dibo. Then we will pound the remaining masalas. also done. Now we'll keep this aside and we are still waiting for the oil to be heated. So the oil is heated. Don't use garam garam. Keep it aside and let it cool down. Now and then after it we will mix all the masalas in the radish. So we'll keep this aside and we'll wait for the oil to cool down. First add just little bit of oil. Now add turmeric powder. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So these are the masalas. I've shown you what are the masalas. Now add all this. Even here. Add this chili. You can avoid this. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's not hot, so don't worry. And salt. In pickle you should add lots of salt. Now add the oil. Remember, I've heated 1 liter of oil, but just half liter I'm using here. Now we will mix everything. In pickle, we need lots of oil and also salt. So don't be stingy in adding oil and salt also. Okay guys, it's mixed properly. Now I'm going to put it inside the container. In this container. If you have glass container, then it's better use glass one. Since I don't have, I'm using this plastic one. Afterwards, I will transfer it in a glass container. So guys, I have already made this Raddish pickle. In this pickle I have added green chilies also. So if you want you can add, if you don't want you can avoid it. So in here I have added green chilies and in here I have added chili powder. I'm going to add more oil in here. So here goes the oil. Wow. And here. I think we need here more. चलो हो गया इसमें डालो. See this? Slowly all this oil it will go down. So this is whole 5 kilos of radish and half kilo of green chilies, and this is 2 kilos of radish. So winter ka pickle ho gaya. This is my Raddish pickle. See this. Wow. It looks so yummy, isn't it? But you have to wait for at least a month. 2 weeks, after 2-3 weeks, okay, fine, you can have. But 1 month, 2 months, maybe 2 months. After 2 months only, you should open this. So cover it. It should be airtight and sun dry it for 2 months. So wait for 2 months to have this. Well guys, I'm going to meet you after 2 months, not 2 months. What I mean to say is, after 2 months I'm going to have this. And if you like watching this video, please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel also. And also don't forget to hit the notification icon. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye bye.